Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online class. I hope you all are taking good care of your health and enjoying your online studies. So, today I'm going to explain you the second poem of your textbook, which is titled as The Rebel. And this poem is written by a British poet, D.J. Enright, in full, Dennis Joseph Enright. The poem is on a rebel. Who was a rebel? Rebel is a person who always disagrees with you or your friends or always does the opposite of what everyone is doing. He likes to look different from others. So, a rebel is that person who always disagrees, जो आपसे हमेशा disagree करता है. Like if you say yes, he'll say no, right? He always does opposite of everyone or what everyone do, right? Okay, so he likes to look different from others, so that person is named as a rebel. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? So if you know that such a person, that person can be called a rebel because he is different. He always does, everything opposite to what everyone else is doing. Okay? So, this is a lightly expressed poem written in a casual style, free of any bitterness or criticism. That means in this poem, nothing bad is said about anyone. It shows the character of a rebel. Rebel का कैसा character होता है? That is shown in this poem. One who does not conform to the norms of society, that means doesn't accept the norms of the society or rules of the society, and has a contradictory attitude based on self assertion. That means he never agrees with anyone, right? He stays as he or she wants to stay because he thinks that he is always right, so he never accepts the rules or regulations of the society. So, in this poem, it is not typically a political rebel, but in this poem, we are going to talk about a common teenager boy who, for his inexperience, exhibits himself so as to draw attention. So, this boy always tries to do different from others in order to gain attention. That means he wants attention from everyone, that everyone should look at him or know him. So, he does everything differently. The main themes discussed in this poem are: acknowledge out of box thinking. Out of box means thinking differently. Next, celebrate difference in opinion as not necessarily a bad thing. So, it's not a bad thing to think differently, right? We should celebrate this difference because it's not a bad thing to think differently or do things differently. Next is encourage creativity and warn about the difficulties one may face after being a rebel. So these were some of the themes that are discussed in this poem. Okay, so now let us start with the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. That means when everyone is having short hair, right? Proper trimmed hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long because he wants to look different from others, right? When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. अच्छा, और next क्या होता है? जब सबके बड़े बाल होते हैं, when everyone else is having long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. rebel क्या करता है? अपने hair को cut कर लेते हैं short में, right? Because he wants to be different from others, so he's doing so. Next is, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everyone else is talking, जब बाकी सब बात कर रहे होते हैं, when everyone else is talking during any lecture, any class, rebel stays quiet and shows that he is very sincere and well mannered. Okay, because he is trying to be different or opposite to others. Okay, and when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. और जब कोई भी बात नहीं करता, when nobody is talking during the lesson, rebel creates a disturbance. And why? Because he wants to gain attention of everyone. That is why he is doing all the things differently. Okay, When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Okay, when everyone else is in proper uniform, rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. That means fancy clothes. Okay, everyone else is well dressed, but rebel dresses in superb fancy clothes because he wants to look different and he opposes everyone for this. Okay, next, when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Again, it is the opposite of the previous one, that when everyone else, बाकी सब जब fantastic और fancy clothes पहनते हैं, right, rebel dresses soberly. Now soberly means in a simple way. Okay, not fancy, in a simple way. Okay. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Okay, it means that in the company of dog lovers, in the company means when he is with the people who love dogs. When the rebel, जब rebel उन लोगों के साथ होते हैं जो dog lovers होते हैं, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Preference means when you choose something over the other, जब कोई चीज़ आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है किसी और चीज़ से, right? So जब वो dog lovers के साथ होते हैं, the rebel chooses cats, and when a rebel is with cat lovers, he says good about dogs. और जब वो cat lovers के साथ होते हैं, rebel says good words about dogs. Good words means what? Good, everything good about dogs. Okay. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. Okay, when everybody is praising the sun, praising means want sun and they are liking the sun. What is rebel doing? He remarks the need for rain. Rebel को क्या चाहिए? He thinks that rain should come. That means the sun will go. Again, the opposite. Okay? And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. And when everybody else is greeting the rain means they are liking the rain. Okay, they are welcoming the rain. What is rebel doing? He is regretting the absence of sun. Regretting means you regret over something कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, right? He is regretting what? The absence of sun. कि sun क्यों नहीं है, sun की absence क्यों है, right? When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Okay, so when everyone goes to the meeting, जब सब meeting में जाते हैं, what does rebel do? He stays at home and reads a book, right? Because he wants to look different. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So he is doing everything opposite to others, different from others, right? When everybody is staying at home and reading book, the rebel goes to the meeting because again he wants to gain attention and do the things in different way. Okay, see the next part. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. That means when everybody says yes please, that means asking, when you are something like when everybody is asking for something, yes please, the rebel, what is the reply given by rebel? No thank you, to reject the offering. Offering means जो चीज़ आपको ऑफर मिला है, right? उसको reject करने के लिए he says no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, rebel says yes please. So in a way he is doing everything opposite to the work done by others. So he's opposing everyone, he's not agreeing with everyone, right? He's doing the things in his own way. Now who's he? He is the rebel. Okay, so here are the last lines of the poem. It is very good that we have rebels. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be yours. So the poet is saying that it is very good that we have rebels. Concludes that it is very good that we have rebels in our society. बहुत अच्छी बात है that we are having rebels, people like this boy in our societies, but it is just not good to become a rebel. Okay, so The poet is saying that it is good to have rebels in society, but it is not good to be a rebel, right? कि हमें खुद नहीं rebel बनना चाहिए. And the reason the poet says so is that when you are a rebel, everyone oppose you, right? Because they don't agree with your views, right? Because your views, being a rebel, your views will be different from others. आपके views different होंगे others से, तो सब आपको oppose करेंगे society में, right? क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे आपको, आपकी बात नहीं मानेंगे, राइट? बिकॉज योर व्यू पॉइंट विल बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर व्यू पॉइंट. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट गुड टू बिकम अ rebel. So this is how the poet concludes the poem by saying that it is good to have rebels in a society, but we should not become a rebel. So this is how the poet shows that how a rebel is different from others, and the reason he is different is, why is he different, क्यों वो different होता है? Because he wants to gain attention of others, right? So he acts in different way. So this is how your poem comes to an end. I hope you all have got the poem properly. So go through the poem again and feel free to clarify your doubts. Thank you.